Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dobyeng jongpi.
I understand their pain, no doubt.
Sembut Menteri Rangba ka Jela ba Preston Tensong. Hakas ngito dieng ka arterik unai luar arhajar arpuar. Ula ong bakidon hadu syajar ligi pos ki basa THYLLI. Ha ka office terikam jangka MeECL Energy Corporation Limited lum JINGEH Shillong. Henry ka JINGEH ka day nakada ba ka sorkar kam dan PISA ban thongkam. Bat ban pendam yakini ki pos ki ba THYLLI. Ba Preston ba pejru ya katnat kam boarding jang ka sorkar Jela. Ha ka JINGEH kran ba kilap thai kubor. Ulai thu bagi pos ki THYLLI po ka MeECL Energy Corporation Limited lum JINGEH Shillong ki day ki technical post kom ka junior engineer, assistant engineer, executive engineer bat kiwi. Ulapan pauru ka jing sokya lor ka JINGEH ka bagi nong teri casual ki akan do na lor bagi la syakri ka ka office terikam om dunasyo ya ka arpos nem AA. Ula ongru balada ka sorkar ka dan PISA kam don JINGEH ban pendap iki pos ki THYLLI hapo ka ka office sam boarding jong ka Jela brokwe.
I understand their pain, no doubt. Because some casual, they have been there working for not less than 15 years. Some of them 18 years. Some of them 10 years. I mean, most of them 10 plus. Okay. I understand their pain. But at the same time, let me just tell you, not less than 1,000 plus, even the sanction post, we are yet to fill it up. Sanction post means what? Those technical sanction posts, like junior engineers, like assistant engineers, like executive engineers, so on and so forth. More than 1,000 plus. But the only problem that we have here right now is if we fill it up now, the issue is the financial crisis that we have. It is still continue. We don't have much option to do whatever to fill up even this post immediately. But we are working out only those area which is really required, then we have to fill it up, that post. So therefore, as far as the petition made by the casual workers, I understand their pain. We know, yes, the price index keep growing, coming up, rising up every year. I understand, but I would like to request them, let us first of all clear the outstanding dues of the MeECL, and we are trying right now to stand on our own. Once that is done, I'm telling you with assurance, I would like to say that we will fully accommodate them on a regular basis. Years, 15 years, 20 years, they wanted, number one is regularization. They wanted to get a regular pay, which I also understand the need of each and every casual workers, contractual workers. So therefore, I just appeal them that the situation right now, financial position of the MeECL is still very grim.